Hey guys, we have a little light right here that's shining into here so you guys will be able to see the impact. So let's go ahead and load up our weapons.
I'm not done all my bullets.
Alright, I'm just gonna go reload my weapon. And then me. Let's do this shit.
Wait a minute, did you stab the plastic?
Yeah? We're gonna be shooting at this later on another video. Alright. And if you're wondering what part fell off, this part.
The protective part.
Yeah, it came off this camera right now. So
why do you switch from a Russian accent to an English accent, right?
So let's shoot this bitch and see how much damage it does. Try to aim right where the splash it. At 3, 2, 1.
I just seen that put the flat right in there. At the cardboard and ricocheted and hit the can. Oh my god.
Basically,
I'm out. You just shot the cap right out.
Oh, I shot another one out. Oh,
You're out. I hit the can.
So as you can see, we got lots.
Right there, look. Right there.
And lots of bullet holes. So you bust some styrofoam caps. Oh.
Oh wow, look, it's still in there.
Alright.
Look at the one that Shane shot, look.
Now we're gonna try something different.
yes, I'm gonna be shooting this one.
Now we're gonna be shooting at this plastic thing. So Shane.
You know what's really cool, guys?
Plastic.
I just shown right now. Okay, this is the thing that Shane did. He busted a cap right in it. Left the mark. I need my
Alright, so we're just gonna be loading up this shit and let's see
if it can go through. If it doesn't, then I'm gonna go a whole bunch of stuff wrapped around my body for protective stuff. Remember guys, 100 subscribers, leather jacket, me, get shot at. We'll treat every 100 subscribers.
I'm pretty sure you guys don't want to be looking at that all the time. So let's move over here. Oh, sorry about that. Alright. So we're just setting up our BBs. Oops. And yeah, we'll be right here. I'm gonna be done. We're just gonna time lapse this and be seeing you in a little bit.
I'm ready.
Where's my protective glasses? Have you guys?
Alright, so now
Shane, did you see my protective glasses?
let's do this.
Let's do this.
So right here you see the fiberglass right here?
It's not fiberglass.
Well, whatever, the plastic. Alright, we're gonna be firing at it. Right? Alright.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Oh my god!
It's
How long
bouncing
has
back.
Ow!
Watch out, don't make it hurt. Like you.
Oh, when did it hit the camera? Oh!
It's not punching through. They try to get your airsoft gun.
Shane, these are yours. Shane, here's
Oh! Oh, I didn't mean the balls!
Those are mine because they have a black print on it.
I'm done. I'm out. Alright, you're done.
I want these guys to know more.
Alright,
And,
so let's see what our damage has done to it.
I don't want you to give me too much pop.
Now, let's put my spotlight.
Later, after.
Didn't punch through.
Yeah.
I know, but it did little gaps.
How? I didn't get to.
So you can see,
I'll let you play after.
I didn't get to.
After.
I didn't get
right
to.
here, there's like
5 minutes.
little gaps. So,
Can I have my glasses back, please?
if you look over here,
Shane,
you can
Yes.
see
let him shoot there a couple
The-
rounds there and stuff.
the metal gaps.
Yeah, I did. You shot the cardboard, pop cans.
So these guys that pick up all those green things,
Yep, and
Where it ends up in my boots and that's my
yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and
We'll see you guys there.
yeah, we'll be seeing you guys later.
Well, that was good.
Okay.